You hear that?
I did hear that, did you? I heard that. During rituals, these masks are actually masks that they do wear during the rituals. And the reason they leave them here is because when you're doing a ritual, the mask cannot leave where the ritual takes place.
It's hard to breathe.
It's cold, dramatically much colder right here.
It's super cold. It's cold. There can actually be a satanic ritual taking place right now, and we wouldn't know. This is real life right here. This isn't fake or anything. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are back in Albany. Remember that place where we found the satanic room? Well, we're back, and this is the part 2 of that place. And I don't know, guys, I just wanted to come back and see if the place had changed at all. We have Upstate URBEX in.
Oh yeah.
Gabriel Blocks.
What's up, guys?
And Chris Creates.
What's up, guys? Gonna go straight up to the satanic room, I believe.
Let's go, you lead the way.
I lead.
You know where it is, dude.
You know where it is.
Nah.
I don't know where we are. Is this way?
No, I think we go.
Yeah, I think we need to go.
Yeah. Guys, this place is so much creepier the second time around because 1, it's raining. 2, it's darker. And 3, we know what we're we know where we're at. Let's just put it that way. Watch out for the elevators, guys. Remember.
Yep. Alright, here we go, guys. To the 6th floor? Is that where it was?
6? We're actually gonna explore all those places, like. Guys, something I forgot to mention in the intro. We're not only gonna go back to the satanic ritual room, we're also gonna be exploring the other rooms that we didn't get to explore last time. So that should be interesting. Oh, this is documents? No, this is the train stop.
Oh yeah, that was fun.
Yeah.
There's ice here.
Okay.
Oh shit. Watch out over here, Chris. It's icy.
Before, guys.
I feel like it's colder in here than it is outside.
It is colder in here.
Okay, so you hear that?
I did hear that, did you? I heard that. Before, guys.
I feel like it's colder in here than it is outside.
It is colder in here.
Okay, so guys,
Stay like that.
there can actually be a satanic ritual taking place right now, and we wouldn't know. Like, this is real life right here. This isn't fake or anything.
It's cold, dramatically much colder right here.
It's super cold in this spot. It's super cold right now. Like, look at the. It's cold. Holy shit. Guys, the door's open. So we're not the only ones who found this place. Let's go. Okay, so there was a fire here. There was a fire here not too long ago. You can still smell the smoke.
You can smell it strong.
Like, it's really strong. take a look at the table again. You got,
That's new smoke, dude.
dude, and not only that, this is new stuff. This wasn't here. Like, this is new stuff here.
You're right. Looks cleaner too.
Looks cleaner, yeah.
Guys, we just entered the room and we can still smell smoke like it matches. Someone was here recently, and extremely recently.
It's hard to breathe.
Is that a baby? Oh shit. The Bible's still here.
Like somebody, man, I don't know what happened here.
Dude, has anybody been in this spot ever?
In here, you're the first. Other than the Satan worshippers.
Yeah, the same worshippers, one of them must have.
There's a lot less here.
See you guys.
Oh my god.
That's payback.
That was hilarious.
Hey guys, these are all pages from the Bible. Upside down crosses.
That's what we hear.
There,
Someone is sacrificing the animal. And trying to get away.
so somebody opened this window so that light could come through. But last time we came, this window was shut. Must be because the Satanists, they don't like having sunlight in any other satanic ritual places. Hey, imagine wearing one of these masks. I'm sorry guys, but I don't have the balls to do that.
Putting on one?
Yeah.
Do I? I don't think so. As a Christian, I don't think I'm comfortable with putting it on, even though it would be a crazy dare to do.
Yeah.
But what I can tell you guys, after I went here last, I showed some of my coworkers this video, and they knew a lot more about Satanism than I did. And they told me that during rituals, these masks are actually masks that they do wear during the rituals. And the reason they leave them here is because when you're doing a ritual, the mask cannot leave where the ritual takes place. You must leave the masks there. Don't know how true that is, but they acted like they knew a lot. So they also said, if they are active, where people are constantly coming in and doing rituals, don't touch them. So I think it's best if none of us touch them.
Yeah, I agree. Okay guys, so now we are about to go into those other floors that we didn't explore last time.
Anybody there? Make a noise if you're there.
It was behind this wall though. Could be homeless. Could be demons.
I heard something.
You heard something?
Yeah.
What did you hear?
It honestly did sound like a bird, but still.
Yeah, birds are scary.
Yeah, we all know about the hotel bird.
Guys, if you're going to explore anywhere, you must wear a mask.
Guys, what would somebody have to pay you to stay overnight on that creepy floor for, you know, just a night? By yourself,
night?
though.
20K.
20K? What about you?
Oh, a lot more than that.
A lot more? I agree. What would you say?
Just about 20K, that sounds right.
20K? I don't know, guys. I'd
One
probably,
night?
It's a sketchy ass neighborhood. You don't want to be here at night.
One night I'll do it.
I would do it. I don't know the price. It'd have to be at least 100,000. I'm not kidding. I get creeped out really easily.
Oh, Dean, like you were saying, people sleeping in here. Though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like I would sleep in a tent, I'd sleep in here.
You see that? These people sleep here for free.
That's another reason you don't want to be here for the whole night.
That's true.
These people being around.
It's
true.
I don't know why they sleep under a bridge outside in a tent when, you know, they come
The
in
homeless,
here. I mean, it's not nice.
They sleep in places like this.
Sleeping outside at least.
And these are their beds. Whoa, remember this part? Devil's
The
Den?
Devil's Den.
Did we-
But we couldn't find anything.
Yeah, you're right.
Unfortunately.
Yo, Nate, that picture right here in the spot will be so hard. Bro, I'm gonna show you the video, I'm gonna show you how it looks.
I'm gonna need some of that footage.
Yeah, man, like it's 4K 422, man, like good footage, bro.
And I'm gonna give you credit too, like on the video, like video was shot and edited by Nate Perez and Chris Creates.
Oh yeah, the roof.
Let's go this way, you down?
Go. This is what seems to be a doll. I wonder what they store in here.
Yeah, it seems to be some sort of secret chamber. Man, this place is huge. Echo! Echo! Guys, we are in the roof. And I mean, it's always amazing to see everything from up top.
Just gotta be careful about that top over there, so he doesn't see us on the roof.
Yeah. Okay guys, so this is where we're gonna end the video. We came for what we came for, which is to make an update video on this place. And the place looks like somebody went in there and moved it around a bit and just took a lot of the stuff out, put some new stuff in, burned some stuff, because there was a fire recently. But let me know what you thought about this video and this entire place. And if you want to see part 1 of this video, I have it down in the description below.
Good footage, man. You already know.